Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my video about how to create a notification section for a task. Okay, you should have a notification table and this is a trigger for a time zone. After that, it's a very important part of a notification. So how to set the notification on a when you go to a share component, so you can see the to a navigation bar list and you can see the navigation bar. Click it. After that, navigation's icon you can see. This is a notification section icon. Should be a fireball. It's up to your choice. Okay, you can change to this icon with the help of images personal. And this is a target type like a 39 because I did create the page for a notifications. After that I will show you. So how to create the notification? It is very simple. You can visible create list entry. Click it and you can fill to this entry level and you can select the icon and you can target to page. Okay, now I am going to our 39 page. This is my 39 page name is my notifications. Okay, my notification is a model dialog page mode. Okay, also template is a model dialog and this is my notification is the media list. Nodes of this and this is my SQL query. Apna hospital notification, this is my travel name. Okay, assigned to a mail ID. Who's assigned to you? Okay, no need of process dynamic actions, no need. And now I am going to my task definitions. How to create a workflow? I have already covered this video. Okay, in the description below I share to the link how to create a workflow. Okay, after that you can understood how to create the task definition, how to create a workflow like that. I have I did completed to approval workflow, right? Now I am goes to a share component and this is my workflow section. You cannot change anything inside the workflow definition. Okay, and I am going to a task definition, this very important parts. Okay, inside the task definitions have a multiple tools uh, definitions parts. Four parts. First part is a pharmacy approval task. This is my SQL query. Okay, and this is the page number 27, and this is a potential owner and who is the business administrations, right? So department ID 21 is the inventory manager and 23 is a pharmacy inventory manager. So inventory manager will take a decision. I can approve this task and I can reject this task. Okay, so this is a updated actions. I did complete two actions. Okay, first is updated and second is rejected. This is a updated task. Okay, you can add this only. Pharmacy type status approved. Okay, insert apna hospital notification. This is my table name. For rejected. Okay, this is for rejected sorry PL SQL query. Okay, and this is a approver task. Suppose that inventory manager approve to task of pharmacy, this message will be sent to a approver. So approver take a decision. So this is a genuine task or not. So it's up to our approver. Approver can approve to task and reject it to task. Okay. So this is a pharmacy and this approver like that. Okay, pending of approver side. So how to cycle this notification sections? It is my pharmacy stock request. Okay, like that, like a dolo 45 2 days. Okay, great. Row created, your request has been submitted successfully and is now pending approval from the inventory manager. When you goes to a workflow console, so you can see diagram. Okay, waiting for a inventory manager. Sign out. Vipul is a inventory manager. So like to 2 days. Now stock request pending approval. A new pharmacy stock request has been submitted and is pending your approval. Okay, it is a total task. And where is task? This my task and this. Okay, add comments. message showing like a comment is added. Okay, approve. And this message is sending to a approver side. Okay, this is my pharmacy, and message will be accepted. Your stock request was approved by inventory manager. Okay, your pharmacy stock request has been approved by the inventory manager and is pending final approval. Okay, like this is a very important parts. Okay, wait. Inventory manager take a action approved. So message sent to a approver side. So approver take a decision for rejected and approved. Task definition done. Approve. Now your pharmacy stock request has been fully approved by the approver. Okay, like that. Take a decision, approve. After some time, updated status approved, and this workflow. Okay, so I waiting some time for complete this task. Workflow have complete. So this. Okay, with the help of notifications, once a task is assigned, the assigned user can easily view it from the my notification panel. This makes it simple to track approval, rejections, and pending action without missing any updates. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Oracle Apex tutorial. See you in the next video.